that's a threaded. It sure seems like it. No, this one here is definitely crusty.
Yeah, no doubt.
The water's off.
Yep. I can get something like a copy.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, and I'll just do that. I'll take it.
Yeah, well, the brass nipple looks like it broke off. Not good. Looks like it broke off in there. What's down below this thing? Is this finished floor? Hello? I'll have to change that. Great. It's all grouted in, I think. Great. I don't know if there's enough threads on there, probably not. Scary shit right there. Whoa! We'll turn the water on and see what happens here. I gotta get that nipple out of there. Gotta change this nipple. I have no choice. It's gonna come out. It's leaking. I don't know if I'll be able to, because it's mortared into the floor. I'm getting involved with these fucking shit shows. Crazy fucking shit.
The pipe is accessible from the bottom anyway.
Oh, good, because I might have to get it, because this. What happened was when I took the other valve apart, part of the threads like kind of stayed with it. I don't want to take a chance. I got to get that out, but the problem is it's all mortared in. See how it's all mortared in?
Yeah.
I might have to like try to maybe chip that with a hammer. Chip that mortar away with a hammer, so I could just change the nipple. Let me try that. Let me get some more tools and try it. Hammer here. Maybe I can get it out. One is off. See how the other one broke off. I didn't want to take a chance. Not good. I have another brass nipple. We'll use that one. Not easy. These fucking flipping jobs is a shit show. Yeah, I was able to get it out luckily.
Good, thank God. I knew it could be a mess.
The other one the other one,
Oh yeah,
see the threads on, that's the threads,
Oh,
see
yeah.
the threads that
Sure.
were, the other threads are in the valve.
yeah,
See it?
yep.
Part of them. I mean, it did go on there, but I didn't want to take a chance. That's the type of shit that'll let loose and blow apart in the middle of the night. Can't have that shit.
Yep.
I feel better with a brand new nipple in there, believe me. Yeah, I couldn't have left the other one the way it was. Couldn't sleep at night. Be able to sleep at night. Can't do shit like that. I don't think I could go around again, maybe. Alright, better with that. You can see the brass is inside there, broke off inside there. get that, put a new piece in. Well, you want to be a plumber.